Here we come to the elevator at the Health Sciences building, research building. These are Montgomery, modernized by Kone. See, these are older Montgomerys from the 70s.
This elevator doesn't actually have 10 floors. That was like an ambitious project they thought they would do.
They're not going to be able to do that. That's not.
They thought they thought this building was going to be 10 floors tall, but it's only 6.
Yeah, or maybe it was an ordering glitch of some sort with ordering the COP. This is the second floor. Oh, we're on 1 still.
We're going up.
Relay Logic Montgomerys. These are from the 70s. Capacity 3,000 pounds. What year are these?
1966. Originally 1966.
Yeah, so these are old. These are old and they still run perfect.
No,
I
this
guess
elevator isn't even as tall. Wooden doors. I like it.
Yeah, these are wood. With steel and the wood
There is
finish.
an elevator that is still completely original in this building. I'll take you there later. We can't go up. Let's go down to 1.
Let's watch the. I was gonna watch. There's up the shaft, down the shaft. There's the older door operator. I do like the wood door, or wood finish on the inside doors. Let's get a cab view now. Relay Logic, installed in 1966. Arizona Health Sciences Center. These were probably modernized in the 90s at some point.
Yeah, but a very, very slight mod.
Yeah,
Just fixtures and indicators.
these are very much original. And then, do you want to do another car?
No, let's just go back up to 2. These cars there are not in service.
Yeah, those are broken. Here we go. Here's the certificates on file in facilities department. See, these aren't in service. They're covered up now.
Here. Go ahead and watch it. And
There's the upper indicator. There it goes. Totally original Montgomery, just with modernized COP.
Yep.
This one might not be in service. It is. The indicator's just burned out.
yeah, let's actually just go up to 3 and land it there, because then I can take you to the original one.
Yep. All right. We'll go up to 3. Here we go up to 3. Here we're on 3. Let's see if we have any classic leveling.
Yeah.
A little bit. They're very much the same, but this one is the left car. Electronic bells. Here's the call station. It's gonna close up and open back up, I think. Unless it's bringing me this. Oh, it's gonna be that one.